Joy, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is only the second Tejas to crash. Last year in 2024, there was a Tejas that had crashed, and an inquiry had then found that there was an engine seizure that had led to this crash. So just correct me if I'm wrong. This is the only second Tejas made in India
The
Tejas
second
to.
crash.
Yes, this is the second crash.
Second crash.
So this
But
is.
an engine seizure, normally, we don't know for sure, but an engine seizure normally does not lead to a fireball. I mean, an engine seizure would lead to a crash, but not a fireball. So we have to find out what led to the fireball. What led to this huge fireball is something that has to be worked out by the makers, by the Air Force, and other experts involved.
Just to recap for our viewers, the pictures that they are seeing on our screens, this is absolutely terrible, terrible news, ladies and gentlemen, that is coming to us from Dubai. The Dubai Air Show is underway. The Indian Air Force had dispatched 3 Tejas to take part at this Dubai Air Show. One of the Tejas aircraft on your screen simply going down, bursting into a ball of fire. Now, the cause of what has caused this crash, of course, will be investigated. There will be a full inquiry that will be instituted. The Indian Air Force, for the moment, is telling us. Okay, S. Sudhakaran is a retired wing commander. He's joining us on the broadcast. Sir, if you could just give me a minute. I'm just recapping for our viewers what we are seeing on our screens right now. Ladies and gentlemen, what we are seeing on our screens right now is only the second ever Tejas to crash. Unfortunately, this crash coming just moments ago at the Dubai Air Show, being piloted by an Indian Air Force pilot. There is no news on the pilot yet. The Indian Air Force is saying they're trying to ascertain facts. But if you just look at the pictures on your screens, the news cannot be good. It's virtually impossible for anyone to survive this sort of crash and this sort of fire, that happens post that.